Alright, so we're back here with the J11, and let's see here. Let's take a quick look at the remote that came with the machine. Okay, so it requires 4 AA batteries, and that's my favorite. And what I like about this remote is sometimes people just don't understand. Like the Hobby Zone ones, they are super like. See, this holds its position. Okay, I bring it up here, I let go, it stays there, and I like that. That makes it easy for first-time flyers to really control what they're doing. I don't like those that are like you touch it and it goes all the way up there. I don't like that. And this also has a bit more of a strength to it, which means if you want to go left and right, and I think it'll be up and down. Yeah, this is very straightforward to use. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.